Hey. Hey. Can I get some service around here? Hello? Yeah, you. You know, the one behind the bar? I'm trying to talk to you. Yeah, thank you. Keep them coming. Oh, well, I'm sorry. I'm not exactly a people person. Hmm, go figure, right? Like, that's gonna scare me? Ooh, I'm so frightened. What is it with bartenders and thinking that a abrasive attitude must mean I need to talk to somebody about something? Hmm? Oh, please, no. Yeah, yeah. So listen here. Uh, I don't have a problem. I just want to drink. Thanks. No, no. It's not a woman problem. No, it's not a guy problem. Really? Wow. That's a nice way to open it. No, I don't have a problem in that department either. Thanks. I just it's been a bad couple of years. Not like that. Oh, jeez. Ever since they built the bridge over down by the river, life's kind of sucked for me. You know, I'll be fine. No, I'm not. It's just, it brings a lot of traffic, okay? Makes it a little hard for me to. You know what? What are you doing? No, no, no. I'm not talking to you. Why would I talk to you? You're just a bartender. I, just keep the drinks coming. I'm sure I'll have the money for it somewhere. No, you don't need to cut me off. Thank you very much. I'm not drunk. Not even close. Trust me, I wish I could be. If I was, I'd probably speak with my accent. But no, no, I wouldn't. No, what? Stop. No. What is your problem? I just want to drink. Jeez. I wouldn't do that either. Look, I know that you aren't from around here, as it's blatantly obvious. Okay, and I've been here for a long time, but I ain't from around here either, and that's clear from how I talk. But you don't know what you're getting yourself into. You're much better off just taking care of the business and keeping the drinks. What? What I do at the river is my business, okay? I'm, I, what I need to do to get out of it is absolutely absurd. It's absurd, okay? Okay, have you ever had a a problem that the only solution is something that you don't ever want to do? Yeah. Okay. Look, I've lived here my whole life, but my parents moved me here. Okay, when I was little, and been And they're gonna take everything away from me unless I gotta get married. I have to get married. I have to get married by next week. Yeah. Or or I or I lose my inheritance. And what I will inherit is thank you. No, I am not a trust fund baby. Thank you very much. I can get through life well on my own. What I get to inherit is a little bit more important than just something as silly as money. Curses. I said curses. As in, curses foiled again. That's what I meant. That's exactly what I meant. I don't mean another thing at all. Thank you very much. I like staying by the river. I like the water. But after they built the bridge, people just cross. They don't stay to look at anything. What does my family do? My family, they deal with special horses. Not exactly race horses, no. Well, thank you. But it's not so simple as that. I'm just not that kind of person. I don't work well with people. And I'm much more... Look, I'm much more likely to chew you up and spit you out as I am to treat you nice, okay? I'm not a nice person. I've never been a nice person. I care, but I don't do this thing. The whole people thing. But I don't want to be left with what happens if I don't get married before the end of this week. Or next week, sorry, next. You know what I mean. Time gets away from me. I don't pay attention to that. It's not that simple. You don't know what you're getting into, and I don't know what you see in me, but you're much better off just letting me worry about my problems. Just let me look for the answer to my problems at the bottom of this glass. Yeah. What has got... So what? You have to know? You have to know what it... Yeah, you're cute, I suppose. I mean, you're not, not a nymph or nothing, but you're good enough looking. Why? You don't want to do this, and you certainly don't want to solve my problem. Because there's going to be much bigger complications than just standing in and pretending to be a partner to me. No, it's got nothing to do with that. There's a lot more at stake on your end than just hanging out and getting... Look, I can't even... I can't even explain to you what the problem really is, other than just what's on the surface, okay? Because if I tried to explain it to you, you just wouldn't get it. You just can't get it. You can't get it. You can't understand what I'm going through here. And it's not... I liked my life. Okay? I liked my little life before they built the goddamn bridge over on the river, my river. And nobody stops to see me, and it makes me agitated and angry. Uh, I need to have a certain level of attention, and I know that's not fair. That's not fair. It's not fair to anybody. I can't just walk up to you and say, hey, pay attention to me. No. Well, I'm glad that you want to pay attention to me. I'm not sure why. Because I'm cute. Well, I'll tell you what, it's only skin deep. I am a mess underneath all this. You like cleaning up messes. I bet you do. But you don't know what you're getting into. And I'm trying to warn you out of it. I don't know what... Fine. Fine. You want to try? You really want to try? I'll tell you what. When's your next day off? Next Monday? Alright. I'll take you out next Monday. And I'll lay everything bare where I can talk about it. You want to stick around? After that? Cool. We'll see what happens. But if you don't, then you don't get to say a word about it to anybody. And my tab? Gone. Alright. See you next Monday. But you're gonna regret it.